Bullish Star Atlas. Cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.019995 and $0.043545 by 2030. Market experts accept Atlas could reach $0.019995 by 2025. Bearish Star Atlas market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.003555. Star Atlas presentation. NFTs, the most current obsession with the web, are supposed to influence the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the web-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is making ready for the following rush of computer games is Star Atlas. Star Atlas is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Atlas players investigate the immense drain of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by combining blockchain systems with NFTs situated in game things and specific illustrations advancements. What is Star Atlas? A space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network is called Star Atlas. According to its white paper, clients may unite, sort out, and battle their direction into neglected territory on account of this astonishing creation. In August 2021, Star Atlas will start its very first coin creation action. It highlights in-game resources in light of the idea of non-fungible monetary standards, NFTs, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their exceptional resources. Each component in Star Atlas is a NFT that has been put to the blockchain. Specifically, the Star Atlas game's universe is tremendous, and players should go out on dejected, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Atlas interactivity. In the game, players can make huge urban communities and private companies or gather as one and make decentralized independent associations, DAO, to administer over specific regions. Players secure virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Atlas totally embraces decentralization, as opposed to most of unified gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. The objective is to advance the adaptation of gaming time spent on Star Atlas to give a real monetary profit to interest. Star Atlas, Specialized Examination. Specialized Examination, or TA for short, is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized pointers to check the Star Atlas cost expectations and different variables. It is a strategy for looking at the market using pointers, exceptionally made instruments. Financial backers and merchants can involve this way to deal with track down fair opportunities for exchanging or effective money management. Specialized investigation is ordinarily founded on authentic data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be utilized to conjecture what is probably going to occur. Specialized examination, TA, is the investigation of resources utilizing specialized markers. It is a method for breaking down the market, using pointers made particularly for the reason. Financial backers and brokers utilize this method to track down opportunities for ventures or exchange, contingent upon the circumstance. Specialized examination is now and again established on authentic information for a resource, like cost, volume, and so on, which uncovers designs that can be used to gauge what is probably going to occur. Star Atlas, current cost. Star Atlas is at present worth $0.004443 Atlas has moved -0.11% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,328,558. Star Atlas is at present position 761 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $9,597,595. Star Atlas, Value Expectation 2022. Star Atlas, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. Atlas. The Atlas cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.006665. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.006221 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Atlas is supposed to have a base worth of $0.005332. Star Atlas, Atlas, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Star Atlas cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Atlas will before long outperform $0.011108. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Atlas's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Atlas will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.008887 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.009775. Star Atlas, Atlas, Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.015552 and Atlas might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Atlas is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.014219 and a low of $0.013333 in 2024. Star Atlas, Atlas, Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Star Atlas effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the Atlas coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Atlas will be green in 2025. The Atlas is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.019995, with a base cost of $0.017773 and a typical cost of $0.018662. Star Atlas, Atlas, Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Atlas cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.023105 by 2026, with a base cost of $0.022217 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Atlas has a greatest value worth of $0.024438. Star Atlas,